Still dragging every element around in Canva like it's 2016? These 5 shortcuts will save you time, make your videos pop, and help you look like a pro, even if you're not a designer. Tip 1. Instant duplicate. Quickly duplicate any element with Command or Ctrl plus D. No more right-clicking. It's perfect when aligning multiple text boxes or icons. Tip 2. Group plus align. Grouping keeps your layout clean. Select items, hit Ctrl or Cmd plus G, then use the position tool to align everything with pixel-perfect spacing. Tip 3. Background remover. Got a headshot or product photo? Use Canva Pro's background remover to create clean, clickable thumbnails or listing highlights. Tip 4. Animate text and elements. Don't post static graphics. Click on any text or shape, hit Animate, and add motion. It keeps viewers engaged, especially on Reels and YouTube Shorts. Tip 5. Create brand kits. Once, use forever. Set up your brand colors, fonts, and logo once inside Canva's brand kit. Every design will stay on brand without guesswork. Now, if you're too busy selling homes or running your business to learn this, we handle Canva, video editing, and social media posting for you. You focus on growth, we take care of the visuals. Want to upgrade your visuals without wasting time? Comment Canva Pro or click the link below. Let's build your digital brand one video at a time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. Stay tuned for more updates. Brand locally, easy, and affordable.